620. Hold on. Na ano eh. Bubulwak. Wait lang. Atila to. Oh, sorry. Bumulwak. Thank you. Hold on. Hi there guys and girls. One lovely morning to each every one of you. How are you all doing? Day 122? Yeah. Of not waiting for a week. 122 or 121? 122. Before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Thank you Lord for these wonderful blessings. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or any business proposals. Avoid that. Otherwise, when you got failed, you will feel upset, sad, devastated, mad, disappointed, angry, and whatever ill feelings that you will have. Okay? Beware and be aware. And then your dreams will not push through, will not prosper, right? And then afterwards, expand and enjoy. Okay, very good. Earn, save. Bye for now.